Good morning, everyone. Welcome to July 9th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, President of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures down 48, the S&P futures are down 5, and NASDAQ futures are down 4. Asian shares were lower, while European shares were mixed overnight. Futures were a week ahead of the bell on Friday as traders were disappointed with the monthly jobs report. The market did start out weak with the S&P bottoming out near 1348. By the time the market closed, all of the major indexes were lower, but off of their session lows. There are no key economic reports due out today. We'll get earnings today from Alcoa and Yum Brands. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1342, the 50-day at 1339, and the 200-day at 1302. The S&P closed at 1354 with support at 1342 and resistance at 1374. The monthly non-farm payroll report once again disappointed traders Friday, missing the mark by a mile. As a result, sellers dominated the early part of the day with at least some nibbling into the close. Importantly, the bulls were able to hold support above the 20-day moving average, which is now above the 50-day, a bullish development. Now the bulls will be tasked with clearing the most recent high of 1374, which would set the stage for even higher prices. Here's a bully trend fact. On the S&P 500, July actually ranks as the sixth best calendar month of the year since 1950 with an 11.63% annualized return. Despite that strong overall showing, July is home to one of the most bearish historical periods of the year. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another Market Minute.